I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little hook to it on the opposite side. Excuse me.
Larry, what has happened?
I sunk the mower on a hill, on a mountain.
All right.
So now we're going to try to figure out how to get it back up.
Dang, that one tree I cut would have been. Excuse me.
Well, if you and I were both pulling, and then someone was doing it
backwards, yeah. All right, Megan, time to get on.
The big black lever tool? Yeah, here you go. Yeah, I did turn it on. You're looking at two 120 bridges. This one probably gonna be about 350.
Oh, mission accomplished.
I see that it did hit it.
It's out. We are good to go. Now somebody just needs to drive it back up the hill. There's some changes back here. We're all the way on the back side of the property.
Hey, Megan.
Yes.
The video turned off when I didn't press any buttons.
That's okay. It's probably because it was hot, bud.
Oh, if it's hot, it does that?
Yeah, sometimes it does that, like it overheats, and it'll just turn off on its own. Sometimes that happens. Jake's gone back here, and he's cleared out a lot of trees. He chainsawed some down. We're creating a path. Hopefully we'll get a bridge to go across the creek at some point in time to make that easier to get on the other side of the property. Yes, the day is saved. We're all out of breath. Oh, that was a job. But yeah, so we have adequate space back here.
At least I have my new shoes. See it?
That's right. Harlan got some new shoes. Those are nice.
They make me run faster than remember my other shoes. I have to go slow and then I could run faster. See, I run faster. See?
I do.
I don't have to like walk then fast.
That's true. You could just take off because those shoes make you run fast.
See? I'm faster.
This is another area that would be really nice for a bridge to go across the creek. Nice little path.
I don't have to walk.
Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Megan. This is Jessica. We are so glad to have you here with us today. On the agenda, it is like 8:30 a.m. on a weekend. And the chicken coop is getting cleaned. So Jessica, what's the plan here?
I'm raking up all the poop, and then I want to make some homemade chicken roost box or chicken box, whatever it's called, out of crates with some of the clippings we have laying around.
Nesting boxes.
Yeah. And then I even think I want to make them a swing.
A what?
A chicken swing.
Oh, a chicken swing. Oh, that'd be cute.
Using some of the wood that Jake chopped up yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Get some rope and dangle it on here. A little chicken swing.
That would be cute.
Saw it on Facebook. Get some chicken enrichment.
Chicken enrichment. Oh my gosh. Another thing that I think that we should think about, I don't know if we've agreed upon it yet, is that right now this area, this enclosed area, which would be the coop, it's being utilized for like a little shed by the stuff that was left here from the previous owner. Mm-hmm. So I don't really think we have anything of ours in there, but I was thinking we'd clean it out and open up. This was a cat door. She had cats in here. Thinking of opening that up, just taking that plastic piece off, or figuring out how to get it to slide open and shut with like a pull string. Because I heard winters get cold here. So I'm thinking having a nice warm area for them will be ideal. Everything else looks really nice in here now that it's cleaned out. I think chickens are happy. They've got their food, they've got their water, they've got an area to roam around. We'll start getting things prepped up for them in that big coop area as winter approaches. I say as winter approaches, and it's like 80 something degrees today. Nice.
There you go.
So this oak tree, at least I think it's an oak tree, makes these acorns. They're all over the ground right now, but Jake says that he looked it up and they're edible. You just have to process them.
Toppings that are in it.
He said there are people who make cakes and pancakes and different things out of them. Look at the chicken swing Jessica made. She took some rope that we had around here and wrapped it around some wood for the chickens to swing on.
Something else we have coming up this week is Wiley's second birthday party this Saturday.
That's true. Wiley's going to be 2. I hope people want to come down, celebrate him, and whatever else.
We're going to have games. I'm going to have cornhole, tic-tac-toe, a big one. We have we have badminton, people can play, all those kind of like summer games. The weather's going to be so nice. It's going to be like 78 degrees, so it's going to be a fun day. So I hope everybody can make it. I'm thinking about doing something simple. Doing like nachos with some like carne asada, meat, cheese, jalapenos, call it, because I don't got time to like make a whole like feast.
I feel like nachos are a feast. This is a nice little situation for them until we're able to get their actual coop ready. Happy chicken. So these are the things that we've worked on so far after the last show, which the last show was last Saturday. She has made this cute kitty. This bear keychain. A chicken. A lemon. I made this bat. I had made this cloud, but I ruined it. And so Jessica salvaged it. And so we can see she added some of these. And she made the face cute and put a little strap on it so that way people could hang it up. Jessica made this spider. Cute because there's a little bow. Jessica made this snake. She made some bows. These are hair bows. And I made a few cats. These are little loaf cats. They're so tiny. I think I'm only going to charge $5 for little baby loaf cats. Here's another one. I made a white one. And then I also made a gray one. And then Jessica is also working on making earrings. These are like little Christmas earrings.
Oh, look. See, here's some reef ones that I made. Christmas wreath. Oh, here they are. Here's
yes.
the eggs.
That's the little eggs.
And I made some pumpkins.
Okay, the pumpkins are super cute.
So yeah, but that's what I made so far. I need to make more.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to use this that we used last time for, we use these, our keychains, but I'm going to put earrings on these. And I'm going to use this that I got at the yard sale for the keychains.
Perfect.
And we got this box of fluff for stuffing our animals or whatever for like $1. Whole box full.